Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jeevan from Code Android. Today we shall see how to make splash screens. What do you mean by splash screen? A splash screen is a window containing an image or a logo or the current version of this software. Usually the splash screen is appeared while application is launching. What is the main purpose of splash screen? It is mainly used to hide away few key functionalities of the app. Functionalities like authenticating or the loading of an images from the server, these kind of key functionalities are being hidden in that splash screen. Now let us see how to make those splash screens. Open Android Studio, start a new Android Studio project. Select empty activity, next, and name the application as splash screen and give finish. We shall build the UI for the splash screen by having one text view and another for image view. In this tutorial, you will also learn how to add an image to the UI of an application. Now we have designed our. Now we shall see how to add an image to the UI of an application. First, you need to select an image, copy that image and paste it in resources in drawable folder. Paste here. Now drag the image view, select project, and there will be your image. Click OK. Resize the image as you want. As I said before, a splash screen is a window which contains an image or a logo or a version of the current software. It usually appears while launching an application. For that, we shall create one more activity. Select empty activity and name it as second activity. A splash screen is something which is time bounded, which means that it will appear only for 2 to 3 seconds and it will redirect into some other activities. So, initially we shall give some time limit. I am giving 4000 milliseconds, that is 4 seconds. To handle this splash screen, we are going to create a new handler. Now, create an intent that will start the second activity. In the previous video, I have explained what is an intent and what is an intent filter. If you have not yet gone through it, go through. The link is given in the description. Now create the object of intent. Now pass the object of intent into a start activity function and give finish. That's all. In the second activity, just add one text view so that we can notice the activity. Yes, we have created the text view for noticing the second activity. Now we shall run and see whether this code is working or not. Now we can see that our splash screen works properly and it will automatically launch to another activity after 4 seconds as we have given the time bound as 4000 milliseconds. And that's all with the splash screen. In this tutorial you have learnt about the how to make splash screen and how to add an image to the UI. Thank you. This is Jeevan from Code Android.